Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgi here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is May 26th. We have got things starting off better this morning. So after yesterday's big rally out of the beans, we did move above that USDA report day high in beans and pushed really close to that $11 here for July beans. November surging a little higher as well, but as of now, beans up about 8 cents. As far as where we close overnight. So we'll see how we restart at 8:30, but beans up about 8 cents, corn up 3.5 with wheat up 6. And so export sales this morning, corn, they were looking for 1.2 to 1.7 million metric tons. 1.62 is what we had gotten. Beans came in toward the lower end of the range, 600,000 to 1 million metric tons was the expectation, came in at 606. Wheat, they were looking for 300 to 700,000, came in at 344, lower end of expectations there as well. But overall, export sales neutral, and we'll have to watch the attitude of this market as we go through today. Thing to be careful of. A lot of times we see market attitudes change around long weekends or holidays. And here we are, we're rallying going into this Memorial Day weekend. Can we keep this strength or will we start to see some profit taking ahead of this? So be very careful here as we go throughout today. Money flow, though, does continue to come into the bean market. Open interest up another 10,000 contracts yesterday, 14,000 increased as far as corn. So once again, money flow continuing to build as far as the grain markets. We've gotten some decent weather. Pretty much all of the corn's in the ground. Beans are pretty well wrapped up as well for the most part. Now, there are some areas that still need to get done, but we've got rain now coming across what has just been planted, and we've got warmer temperatures. So we're going to end up seeing corns and beans shoot out of the ground at this point, and really what we'll have to do as we get into the next couple weeks is look at good to excellent ratings and where do we stand as far as this crop. But right now, the weather is bearish as far as looking at how it should be affected to the market. But that doesn't matter at this point. It is flow, money flow. The dollar, once again, lower, down about 30 cents this morning, which is giving just this invitation to come in and buy commodities. Crude oil up about 40 cents, and you've got stock futures right now about 34 points higher as well. So we'll see what happens as we go closer to this holiday weekend. Cattle, probably going to start off mixed. So box beef, though, choice up 30 cents, select down 174. But we did start this electronic cash trade yesterday as far as cattle. And so we did see 124 to 125 trade. This was lighter numbers for the first day, but that's in Nebraska and Kansas. There was only about 1,300 head that were traded on this. But something to watch, though, this week. Where will we see the actual cash trade, and how will that compare to this electronic market? So I don't think the trade's even caring about this electronic trade yet. But if it does match up with the actual trade, that'll start holding more clout here that may end up moving these markets sooner throughout the week. But we did see about 1,300 head trade on this electronic market. As far as the hogs, cutout value sharply higher, up $1.80. I'm expecting to see maybe the hogs start to bounce a little from these levels. Seasonally, we tend to do that, so keep an eye on the hogs. As I mentioned, stock futures 34 points higher. Crude oil up about 40 cents right now, and the dollar down about 30. Give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you out. 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there. We'll chat again with you tomorrow. Take care.